Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the King Tony Workshop. Now today, I want to share with you some information about how to remove the O2 sensor on a vehicle. The first thing that you're going to need is your O2 sensor socket set. Now, the biggest problem when removing an O2 sensor is going to be rust. The last thing you want to do is try to use force to remove a rusty bolt, because what you're going to do is just end up stripping the bolt, and then you're going to have a much bigger problem on your hands. So what I recommend, use some penetrating oil spray prior to removal. Now, the most important thing you need when removing an O2 sensor is going to be your O2 sensor socket. Now, depending on where the O2 sensor is placed on the car, you may need a different socket. But the one thing that they all have in common is this side slot right here. What this does, it accommodates the wire, so that way when you're installing or removing the O2 sensor, you're not going to actually damage the wire. So it fits in just like that. So the first thing we want to do is get the wire through the socket and then the socket onto the O2 sensor. Then just go ahead and turn to get it loose. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get the wire and put it into the socket. Then just put the socket right onto the bolt and loosen. Once you've got it loosened, just use your hands to unthread. And there you have it. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys next time. Enjoy your work.